Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to analyze monthly spending trends in Nerdwallet. You want to understand exactly where your money is going month after month. Here's how to analyze your monthly spending trends using Nerdwallet's built-in tools. First, start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from your dashboard, go to the Spendings or Budget tab. There, you're going to look for a section that's labeled Trends, or it could be spending over time or something similar. Here, Nerdwallet gives you a visual breakdown of your spending habits month by month, typically in a bar chart, line graphs, or it could be in pie chart. You're going to see your total monthly spending separated by categories like groceries, rent. You also have dining out, subscriptions, as well as transportation. You can use the drop-down menus to filter by account, date range, or even specific categories. If you want to dig deeper, just click on any category to view all the individual transactions that contributed to that month's total. You also notice Nerdwallet highlights key changes like spikes in a certain category or decrease compared to previous months. This helps you to spot trends like seasonal spendings, creeping subscriptions, or areas where you're consistently overspending. By reviewing these trends, you can make smarter budget adjustments as well as set realistic goals and of course improve how you save over time. Your numbers tell a story and Nerdwallet helps you to read it better. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that turn your past savings into smarter future decisions. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.